Are you trying to decide if you should hire an exterminator or do it yourself? Let's talk about what you can and cannot apply as a landlord or superintendent. If you are a homeowner or resident and you are applying general use pesticides according to label directions in a way that does not contaminate the environment to property that you own or rent, you are following the law. However, without state certification, you cannot apply pesticides to anyone else's residence or property. Superintendents and landlords may apply pesticides without registering as a pesticide business, but they must follow several guidelines. A superintendent or landlord may only commercially apply pesticides to a building that they supervise when they do not charge for the service and when they are also certified in the appropriate category. If you are applying pesticides for the control of structural pests like cockroaches or bedbugs, you would need to be certified in Category 7A, Structural and Eroding Control. If you, as a landlord or superintendent, do not own, work, or live in the property and are uncertified, you may not apply pesticides to apartments or to common spaces. If you do not hold state certification, you should hire a certified pesticide applicator to handle pest problems. You can use the New York State Pesticide Administration database to search for certified pesticide businesses and applicators. If you have any questions, please call your local Department of Environmental Conservation office for more information. If you decide to hire an exterminator as a landlord or superintendent, the exterminator may give you copies of the pesticide labels for the products that they plan to use. Hold on to those labels. Pesticide labels are legal documents that provide important health and safety information. Your tenants may also request copies of the labels from you. Under law, homeowners and tenants should have the opportunity to review label information prior to a pesticide application. If a pesticide application is made to a common area, the label notification requirement is fulfilled by providing the label to the superintendent, owner, or owner's agent. If a pesticide application is made to a private residence, the label should be provided to the resident or residence agent prior to application.